Yo, what are you doing? Trying to make me up?
What is going on, people?
It's at 7:35 in the morning. Currently 5 minutes late already. I'm on a quick 6-hour shift, so I'm gonna try to get to the hub, get a little electric bike. Basically, guys, this always happens with customers. So they've put a location, which is a very nice hotel, very nice staff as well. Now, they are not in the hotel, they are not in the road next to, they're not across from. Yes, it's not all of them. No, it's not all of them. Not all of them have to be seen.
So there is no cover, no cover.
Studio fob. So that's the only reason why I get this bike, because of the fob and the extra, provides extra security. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 bars and a bit. Let's see what happens. I've been sitting here for a good solid minute. Adams, I got this case yesterday and I really love it. Oh, like, she has got a bunda, but not a bunda. Tapped, fam. Mad weird, cut. What, fam? Oh.
Hello.
Are you right? Let's just eat.
Thank you.
No worries. Basically, guys, so I had the GoPro in my mouth, and it's not really a mouth thing. And a piece of the plastic, caught my lip and tore a bit of my gum internally, ripped it and all of that. So yeah, I pretty much was standing in McDonald's, my mouth like that the whole time. Eco 5.2 miles, so I'm gonna do the eco thing for couple miles.
Really wish I knew I was going. Just riding around in North London, trying to find my way back to ends. It's hard, isn't it?
When had it, I think. Oh, so fast. Yeah, I'm sort of low, but sure. I know where I am. Got all that traffic, like, boom. And personally, I'm training myself. Wow, what's going on? Got an angry bird over there. Oh, dude, that's a drift. I thought, man, I'm gonna do the man thing. Had to just drift it round, you get me? Oh, no. I need to pull up his blazer, where are we? 27 minutes away, 4.7 miles. In 200 yards, turn left. Itchy back, I got a little problem with my beard. I mean, it's growing. Just trying man by a strap. Yo, 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 look, 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 look. Use your fucking mirrors. Basically, oh, this is sick. Oh, sick. Wish they had this in South. But basically, yeah, it keeps tickling my lip and it's just, Just don't, watch him, watch him, watch him. Boss, 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 look where you're going, man. England really drew to Scotland of all kinds of teams. Dude, my favourite road. Chop it. You'll see there, chop it. This sure is a journey back home, not to forget. Put it down back into fourth. Hey, seems so slow. Oh, man like me, I've just gone, like that lady there. See you later at the back. I'll make it. My destination quick. See, I want the belt. Why the fuck did JustEat put the belt around? Woo! You just gotta stand. I need to be on that side of the road where the cycle lanes are. Hey, big man. Hey. What's your turn right? I knew it, you know. No bumper clad idiot. Yo. Might be Black Friars egg or something. So one Black Friars, wow. Oh, that building there is nice. So hot stick. Egg brick. Oh, I want egg, man. Awesome, man. Oh. This whole time I've been riding with no electric assist. Over the bridge and on the bridge. Too sick for them. Carnival part. I'm not gonna lie, this bridge makes me feel like carnival, but it's not. Let's go. Hey, watch out where you're going, man! Sorry. Jeez Louise! Guessing not all of them. Scotland versus England is still drunk, man. So I'm guessing not all of them. I thought it was all of them, but it's not all of them. That's diesel, so brake rate, so he's in a hurry. These flip-flops. Police ever stop you to tell you, yo, you can't. That's not Chinese. Oh, speedy. I bet no pussy's gonna overtake me now. Definitely was brave. Can't overtake me. What? Yes, boss. You good? Yes, boss. Pussy. Yo, please look. Thank you. You're not overtaking me. Yo, what are you doing? Trying to make me drop? Pussy, yo. Trying to make me drop? Pussy, yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well done. Well done, my guy. That's what I like to see. Man, them who are doing a Courier life and have their own fucking equipment. Brother, these guys moaning at me about cases, but don't get their own case, bro. Go buy and spend £15 on a case. That's what I'm doing. Your thing then. No one ain't harassing you.
A lot of these man don't care, it's just the paper, innit?
Bad. You got your local as well.
Yeah, just in case.
On job. And like, what's the role that gets connected with a lot of people and it's long.
I'm you good? You alright? 100. Do you want me to give this back to someone? Yeah, yeah, I got it in my hand right there. There you go, boss, yeah? Boss, have a good one, yeah? Take care, yeah? Alright. So, boss, you want a new bag? Huh? You want a new bag? There you go, boss.
Oh, there is no cover, no cover.
Oh.
The black one.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Have a good one, yeah, boss. Have a good one, yeah? Alright, take care, guys.
Cover, no cover.
Oh,
The black one.
take care, oh, yeah?
Cover, no cover.
Oh,
The black one.
currently working to bed off. First lip earlier, which I patched quickly. I mean, you're your own doctor, you know.